welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will be reviewing the Norvina Palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Guys, when I saw this palette, first of all, it's a lavender color, it's so pretty, and it has like pinks, that kind of vibe, and I really wanted it. I think I was a little bit worried if it was gonna have a little bit of problems blending out. I didn't have that problem with the Modern Renaissance nor the Soft Glam. I did have a little bit of problem with the Subculture, not to the point where I'm like, I hate it, I don't want it. I still am able to work with it. My husband was so kind to actually purchase it for me. Well, I don't know if it already hit the stores, but when he got it for me, it had not hit the stores yet here in Canada, so he ordered it online as a surprise, and I got my palette. As you guys all know, these palettes are 55 Canadian dollars. Here we go. This is the palette, so pretty. I love the color so much. It's the same fuzzy cover as the other ones. The back is now all fuzzy. If you take a look at the back of the last three, well, the last three that I have, they made the sticker smaller. If you want to look at ingredients, they will be in the box. I love that feeling, the fuzzy feeling. Norvina, I believe, is her like nickname. I think her real name is Claudia. That's what I've heard. So she named her palette Norvina, as the colors inside, it has a little plastic, I put it back. She said that the colors represent her so much that is why they named the palette Norvina. Inside, the mirror is the same. Guys, the color selection is so beautiful. You have from very summery colors to fall colors in here. I could not wait to play with this. I had a makeup in mind and I wanted to do the Instaception, which is the Instagram frame. And for the eye look, I wanted to do the crown look with the colors Celestial and Wild Child in the middle. It came out like so perfect. The colors mix and blend beautifully. I was with my brush and it blended really nice. That was the first time I used it and I was so happy, and today I decided to play with it again. Since I am gonna review the palette, I wanted to do a makeup tutorial. So I didn't know what I wanted to do and it just came out really good. I feel like this is the whole palette. It's so beautiful. I love the range of colors in this palette. The top layer right here is all metallics. They feel like a cream, so soft, and it goes on very pigmented. This eye look that I did today, I didn't put glitter glue underneath. I just put the concealer and I added the shadows, and it's staying on, which is something really rare to find in metallic eyeshadow. So I decided to go for it today. I'm like, let's just try it out. I was impressed. I was so impressed by the quality of the palette. The bottom row has matte, but base, soul, and love have specks of glitter. You won't actually see them when you apply them on your eyes. It'll actually go on as like a matte eyeshadow. The rest are completely matte. The same brush you always get in the palette. I do use them sometimes. This palette is just so beautiful. I do have to say, when you do dip your brush on it a little bit, there is a lot of fallout. So that is the one issue that all of these palettes have. So if you have a problem with a ton of fallout, I wouldn't recommend it. But if you don't mind that fallout like me, get it because it's amazing. Look at the combinations that you can do. It's so pretty. They all swatch very beautifully. The metallics feel creamy and the matte eyeshadows also feel a little bit creamy. They feel completely soft and they're very pigmented. I don't know if I should swatch them for you guys because it's very different to swatch them on your arm than to use them on your eyes. So the tutorial on this eye look will be coming up next week. So stay tuned for that. I am super happy and beyond impressed with this palette. I had already made space in my drawer for the Norvina palette, and I can't wait to make more eye looks. I actually felt inspired when I saw that palette. What came to mind was God Is a Woman from Ariana Grande. I know she doesn't have those colors on her eyes, that's why I decided to incorporate them in my eyes and not do the paint thing, although the paint thing would look cool just for a photograph. Yeah, that completes my review on this palette. I hope you guys liked this video. Please let me know in the comments down below, are you getting your hands on this palette or do you already have it? How do you feel about this palette? Are you having trouble or are you loving it as much as I am? Let me know in the comments down below what your thoughts are on this palette. Don't forget to stay tuned for this makeup tutorial. If you guys liked this video, please don't forget to thumbs this video up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys till my next video. Bye! Ouch. Get your words together. And my subscribe button. Okay, let's do that again. Let's use this thing. Oh my god. This is why I don't use this. If you did like this, okay, that's it. Whatever. Doesn't matter.